We all love these moments. An active day in fresh open air. Breathing deeply is balm for the body and soul. Dry, dusty rooms, however, afflict our health seriously, especially during winter. Our children are the ones suffering most. The consequences: sneezing and coughing, affected vocal cords, reddened eyes, dry skin. With our help, you can change that. Put an end to the results of dry air by regular humidification, thus improving the air of a room and your well-being remarkably. The powerful ultrasonic humidifier system by Swiss transforms water into fine mist and releases it into the room. Further features are: the demineralization cartridge produces mist without mineral residues, low power consumption and extremely quiet operation, the ionic silver stick as an optional accessory. This ionic silver stick inhibits microbial growth in the appliance effectively and keeps the water permanently fresh. With the swivel double jet nozzle, the U7147 achieves a humidity output of up to 550 grams per hour and is suitable for rooms of up to 60 square meters. All functions are controlled via the touchscreen. For example, the desired humidity level can be set using the hygrostat. Auto and sleep mode automatically maintain the optimal humidity. Especially convenient are the timer, the cleaning reminder, and the empty indicator. The Swiss U7147 provides cool or warm humidification. Thus, it is ideal for all seasons. The mist output is controlled by the 3 output levels, and with the highest setting, the ideal humidity is quickly achieved. So that you can feel at home like in fresh open air. Swiss, improving your quality of life.